Basic engine components. Auto section of ASVAB exam. Piston. A cylindrically shaped object with a solid crown, top, that moves up and down in the engine cylinders. Hot gases produced from the combustion of the air-fuel mixture push on the piston to do the actual work. Crankshaft. Converts the linear, straight line, motion of the piston into rotary motion, which can then be used to power a vehicle or drive an accessory. Camshaft. Responsible for the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves. The camshaft turns at 1/2 the speed of the engine's crankshaft. Piston rings. Seal the piston to the cylinder and prevent combustion gases from leaking past. Oil rings prevent oil from the engine crankcase from making its way into the combustion chamber. Combustion chamber. Located in the cylinder head directly above the piston, it is where the actual combustion of the air-fuel mixture takes place. Exhaust valve. Allows waste gases to be removed from the combustion chamber. When closed, it must seal the combustion chamber from the exhaust port. Wrist pin. Connects the piston to the connecting rod, and forms a pivot point for the small end of the connecting rod to move on. Cylinder head. Located above the piston, it houses the combustion chamber, the intake and exhaust valves, and the intake and exhaust ports. Intake valve. Allows the air-fuel mixture to be drawn into the combustion chamber. When closed, it must seal the combustion chamber from the intake port. Engine block. Forms the framework for the engine cylinders and reciprocating assembly. Connecting rod. Connects the piston/wrist pin assembly to the engine crankshaft. The large end of the connecting rod attaches to the crankshaft on the connecting rod journal. Cylinder. Forms a guide for the piston to move in, allows the piston to move up and down as the engine completes its cycle.